Hello guys, and welcome to another video. First of all, I would like to thank all of my subscribers. This means that you appreciate my content, you like my content, and I will continue to do these videos for you guys. So last week I give you like direction of the US dollar, Canadian dollar, some sort of signal, let's say. I already closed my positions. I was keep buying due to the strong uptrend, so I made good profits. I just is another resistance here, and we're gonna be able to see like a consolidation around this level before the price start moving again up or down. So I prefer to close my position and watch for something else. So on my focus next week is the euro dollar. We can see a lot of support and resistance, like from monthly chart and weekly chart. So if we watch the last support and resistance levels, like is here, this one and this one, around these levels here. So my buy zone, let's say, but still depends how the session on Monday, the Asian session on Monday will gonna end, and how the London will open. But I can draw some buying zone here. Yet I will be watching to buy around these levels. Let me get the shape. Where is the shape? So around this level here. My buying zone, still, like I said before, depends how the Asian session will end and how the London will open. Now I'm gonna be targeting, like usual, like the average half of the range for Monday. I still did not make my table, but I'm gonna do it later. So I will draw in the comments what are the values for the Monday, maybe for the week. Okay. So that's all from me now, guys, and I wish you a profitable week.